Hi friends, I am Dinesh and you are watching HBS UCN4. Do you feel shy or stuck when speaking in English with your friends or at work? Don't worry. With just 30 minutes of daily practice, you will turn into a confident English speaker. So hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon because every episode takes you one step closer to mastering your English. Watch it now.
Today's lesson: the power of one vote.
Appa, elections are coming. But honestly, does my single vote even matter? I mean, what difference can one vote make in such a huge country like India?
Of course, Mira. One vote can change history. You may not believe it, but in India, some leaders have won or lost by just a handful of votes.
Really? I always thought politicians win by thousands or even lakhs of votes. How can just one or two votes matter?
Of course, Mira. One vote can change history. You may not believe it, but in India, some leaders have won or lost by just a handful of votes.
Wow, Appa! I never thought of it like that. So, one vote really has the power to make or break someone's political career.
Exactly. And remember, democracy is like a chain. Each citizen's vote is a link. If people start thinking, my vote won't matter, the whole chain weakens.
But why should I bother? Politicians all seem the same.
That's where we go wrong, my daughter. Voting is not just a choice, it's our right and responsibility. When we don't vote, we give away our chance to select honest leaders. Later, when we see corruption, potholes on roads, no jobs, or poor facilities, we lose the moral right to complain.
So, if young people like me don't vote, we basically lose control of our future?
Exactly. Young voters are the backbone of this nation. Do you know, more than half of India's population is below 35 years? If the youth stay home on election day, who decides the future? Only a small fraction. That's dangerous.
Appa, I always thought voting is just pressing a button. But it's actually shaping the future of the country, isn't it?
Well said. That one press decides who will make laws, who will spend public money, and who will represent your voice in parliament or assembly. It's like handing over the steering wheel of the nation. Would you give your scooter to a reckless driver?
No way, Appa. I'd only give it to someone responsible.
Exactly. Then why hand over the country to irresponsible people? Vote wisely, and you choose the right driver for India's journey.
I will definitely vote, Appa. In fact, I'll tell my friends too. We all keep discussing problems, traffic, jobs, women's safety, but this time, we should go and vote.
That's the spirit, Mira. Remember, good citizens build a good nation. Each vote is a brick in the foundation of democracy. Without it, the building collapses.
Appa, this election, my vote will count. And I'll make sure my friends understand its power too.
Very good, my daughter. Always remember, leaders may rule for 5 years, but one day of voting decides those 5 years. Never miss it.
Public message: your vote is not small.
It is your voice, your right, and your responsibility.
One vote can change the future.
Don't sit at home. Go out and vote.
Appa, elections are coming. But honestly, does my single vote even matter? I mean, what difference can one vote make in such a huge country like India?
Of course, Mira. One vote can change history. You may not believe it, but in India, some leaders have won or lost by just a handful of votes.
Really? I always thought politicians win by thousands or even lakhs of votes. How can just 1 or 2 votes matter?
Not always. In fact, let me give you an example. In 2019, there were constituencies where the winning margin was just a few hundred votes. In some earlier elections, even a single-digit margin decided who became the MLA or MP. Imagine, thousands of people in a constituency, yet one person's vote tilted the balance.
Wow, Appa! I never thought of it like that. So, one vote really has the power to make or break someone's political career. Please practice like this for 30 minutes. Complete lesson available in the description below.